In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay. Now, dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay has many advantages. One of them is the profit margin is going to be much higher from using other like e-commerce websites like Amazon or Walmart or any other e-commerce websites. Now, the reason why I like to use AliExpress to eBay dropshipping is because of the profit margin, and also on AliExpress they don't add add the original price in the package. You can just contact the customer, like you can just contact the supplier or the seller on AliExpress and tell them, hi, I'm a dropshipper, please don't include the original price in the package. And that's exactly what they are going to do. They are not going to include the original price in the package, so you will have very good business without any problems. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. So you will not have problems with customers complaining, hi, this item is coming from Amazon, it has the logo in Amazon. AliExpress doesn't do that, okay? So you don't really add the logo in the package, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, a lot of people ask me if the shipping time is going to cause any like issues or stuff like that. It doesn't, okay? So I have sold, I would say, like 20,000 items from like AliExpress to eBay. So like I've been doing dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay for a very long time. I would say like 4 years or 5 years. And the people that are going to complain about the shipping time are going to complain regardless, even if you are using Amazon or using like a supplier from United States. Now, even if you live in United States and you have the items in stock and you ship them, there are some customers they want to complain, okay? So you can't really control that. So if you are wondering if you are going to have any problems with the shipping time on AliExpress, the answer is a big no, okay? So you will not have any problem. I have been doing this for a very long time, so I know, guys, this is not going to cause you any problems. Now, the only thing you need to focus on, guys, I have already added the steps here, so I know, guys, exactly how I can explain this to you guys without adding the steps here, but you know, I don't want to forget anything. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is to add a payment method to your eBay. So in case you already did that, as you can see, this is just a new account. I have like 10 feedbacks on this account. Now you just need to set up your eBay account. You need to add here you just need to connect eBay like Pioneer to your eBay if you live like outside of the United States, or you can just add your bank account so that you can receive your payments. Now, after you do this, guys, then follow me. Now I'm going to create a new another eBay account so they can show you how you can start from scratch, okay? So I'm going to go to this. Okay, so I'm going to search for eBay. As you can see, this is another eBay account, okay? It's not actually new, but it doesn't have any listings on it, okay? So that's exactly what I'm trying to say. Now is to find winning products. Now the strategy I use to find winning products, go to AliExpress, okay? First, let me change the currency. I'm going to change the country to United States and also the currency to US dollars, okay? Now, as you can see, guys, first thing I do, guys, is to find winning products. That's a huge thing you need to do. So how you can find winning products? Very easy, okay? So the strategy I use, first, let me explain to you what I do. Like, I go to AliExpress and I find a random product. Doesn't really matter what products. I search for it on eBay and I see if other eBay sellers are dropshipping that exact product from AliExpress. Now, what I'm trying to say here is to find dropshippers that are dropshipping from AliExpress, and you need to spam their accounts. You need to go to their accounts and see exactly what they are trying to sell or what they are selling, I'm sorry. Then you want to copy their listings. You want to copy the title of their listings, okay? You want to copy the title of the products they have listed on their eBay store and other things from AliExpress, like the description, the photos from AliExpress. The reason why I say that is because the title, just because it has some sales on it on eBay, that means the title has proven to work. People are searching for that title on eBay. So even if the product on AliExpress has millions of sales, doesn't matter to me, because I don't know if like people from eBay are going to be interested in this product. So I'm not going to list it just because it has many sales on eBay. And I expect that the same with eBay buyers, because these people are different. Like people that go to AliExpress and people that go to eBay are going to be different. Some people also say, if they can buy it cheaper, then why they don't go to AliExpress and buy it instead of going to eBay and buy it for a higher price? Like I said, people are different. Not everyone knows AliExpress. Not everyone is going to trust AliExpress. Some people, they don't even want to buy from AliExpress. Even if they see like much cheaper prices, they are not going to buy from AliExpress. That's just how, like that's exactly how like this business works. Like people are not different. That's the reason why you make money. Okay, if people have the exact same mindset, then the life is going to be hard. Like you can see this in real life too. So what I'm trying to say here is to find people that are dropshipping from AliExpress. Now I'm going to find a random product on AliExpress and I'm going to search for it on eBay and see if people are selling this product or not. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go to eBay. Now I'm going to search for this title and see if I can find something similar to this. Okay, so it seems like this one, as you can see, it has 3 sales. It seems like it's the same product, as you can see. Now as you can see, it has 3 sales, and the price on AliExpress is yeah, there is like if you are like the first time you are buying from AliExpress, because this is a new AliExpress account, I'm going to log in. Okay, I'm going to sign in. I'm going to sign in. Okay, so I'm going to sign in so that I can see real prices. Okay, I'm going to reload this page. Okay, and I'm going to, okay, so it seems like there is a problem with this AliExpress account, but doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to because I don't use this AliExpress. Anyway, like I said, you just need to search for that exact product. This is going to be much higher than this price. Okay, this is just, it's like AliExpress thinks I am the first time going to like buy from AliExpress, but that's the reason why they have these crazy low prices here on AliExpress. Anyway, as you can see, this product is selling for $39, and this product is going to be, I would expect like $20. Okay, so now what you guys need to do is, if the product here on AliExpress is selling for $20 and this one is selling for $39 and it has 3 sales, of course you will have to focus on this. Now if the product doesn't have any sales, as you can see, I'm not going to list it because it's not proven to work. People are not searching for this product on eBay. So after the product has 3 sales, then I'm going to copy this title, because people are searching for this eBay title. As you can see, I'm going to copy it and create a listing using this eBay title, the exact same title. Okay, that's exactly what I do. Okay, so but before you do this, the most important thing is to see if this guy is dropshipping or not. How you can know that? Easy. So you can just scroll down and you can see the location here of the item is China. Now if the location of the seller is also from China, that means he is not dropshipping. He has items in stock, or he has items in his house or whatever. Now I'm going to go to his account and I'm going to see if this guy is dropshipper or not. I'm going to click on about. Now as you can see, guys, the location is Spain. What does it mean? This means just me and you that is watching this video, we are in different country. We don't live in China, but we want to dropship from China using AliExpress. That's exactly what this guy is doing. He's a dropshipper because the store location is Spain, but the item location is China. So this guy is dropshipping 100%. So even if you don't like this product, you can also spam his account. You can go to shop. I'm sorry. You can go to shop, okay, and then scroll down. Click on see all. Scroll down and click on sold items. By the way, I just got lucky because I found this very quickly. This is going to take some time, especially if you are a beginner. Okay, so this is like product research takes some time. So I don't want guys to make this seem like it's very easy to find like people that are dropshippers from AliExpress. I just got lucky myself. Okay, so this is going to take me, I would say, like 10 minutes to find 2 products. So probably it will take 30 minutes if you are just a beginner. Okay, so just keep that in mind. As you can see, this guy sold this product for November, so just like 1 day ago. I'm going to click on it, and this guy has sold this product and it has 1 sale. I'm going to list it, yes, but if you really want to get a lot of sales, you need to only list products that has 3 sales in the last month. As you can see, this product, as you can see, has only 1 sale, but if you are just starting out, yes, list it. Okay, there is no problem with that. Now just what you need to do, guys, is to search for this product from AliExpress, because this guy, we now he is drop shipping from AliExpress. Okay, so I'm going to search for this exact product. I'm going to search for this. By the way, it seems like it's the same. Let me check. Yes, it looks like it's the same, as you can see. Okay, this guy, it's selling for $12, and the product here on eBay is selling for $47. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Keep in mind that this is like AliExpress thinking I am a news buyer, so that's why they have like these crazy prices. But the profit margin, I would say like 30% to 40% from AliExpress. That's why I like AliExpress, is like the profit margin is much higher. Now you need to download these extensions. Click search for download photos from AliExpress. Okay, you need to search for Ali downloader, Ali save. Okay, just to download this extension, it will help you like download the images from AliExpress. After you find the winning product from AliExpress so that you can list it on your eBay, you need to download the extension. Okay, that's the first step. Anyway, okay, so as you can see, this is the product. Also, you need to download an image that will really help you. It's called search on AliExpress by image. Okay, this app you don't have to like copy the title from eBay and search for it manually on AliExpress. Just click on add to Chrome, click on add the extension. That's it. Now if you go to eBay now, I'm going to right click on the eBay photo on the product page, click on search goods on AliExpress by this image, and it will search for that exact same product without me searching for it manually on AliExpress. Now this is the product. Okay, this is the exact same product. As you can see, the price is $15. As you can see, it's the same. Okay, it's actually the same, as you can see. So that's exactly, guys, how you can do this business. It's very easy. Okay, this is like the easiest business I have ever saw in my entire life. I've done some crazy numbers just doing these things, and it's really unbelievable to think that you can make so much money doing this. It's copy paste business. Okay, so after you find the product, then what you guys need to do, you want to download the images. Click on main images and go to eBay. Of course, you can copy other products. This is just the first product that he sold. You can see all his sold items, and you can copy this and this and this and this and this. You can copy all the products he has on his store. And after that, you want to click on sale, and you want to click on list item. And like I said, you want to copy the title of the eBay seller, not AliExpress, because this title, people are searching for it on eBay. That's what we want. Okay, copy the exact same title here, new, continue to listing. And here you want to drag the photos. You want to just upload the photos here. That's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to, I'm going to add the photos here. Click on open. Description, you can also like add here a random description. You can copy the description from AliExpress, but make sure it doesn't have any AliExpress text in it. Click on description. only copy a few of the like a few words of the description. Doesn't really matter. Most people, they don't even go to the to read the description on eBay. That's it. Okay, that's it. This is the business. And now you want to add the item specifications. All the item specifications will be found on specifications on AliExpress. If you cannot find something, go to eBay and see his item specifications. And here, type dental floss, manufacturer warranty 2 years. Everything will be found here. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. Now the last step, guys, is to add the photos. We have added the photos here. As you can see, I know add the price. The price make it a little bit lower than the competitor. If he is selling it for $40, sell it for to like sorry guys, you want to sell it for $39. Okay, so I don't really edit videos. That's the reason why I don't cut this okay, sell it for $39 if he is selling it for $40. That's it. Now after you sell the item, after the item has been delivered to the customer, make sure you tell them to leave a review for you. That's it. And also, yeah, that's it. But make sure the tracking number says the delivery is successful. And that's it. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.